custom pickup here at Unique Specialty Classics. 1958 Chevrolet Apache pickup. Crate, 5.7 liter, 350 V8 underneath hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. 700 R4 to be exact. Also nicely equipped with some modern amenities, power steering, power brakes, disc up front. Vintage AC, blows cold. Take a look at the bright work and chrome up front. Painted to match, bumper. Good looking front end on these 1958s, and you see the paint shows well too. It's kind of a, let's say like kind of a Merlot, medium burgundy metallic, sharp looking color on this truck. No doubt about it. Check out the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. You'll see this truck from every angle, underside, interior, engine bay. You can also call us 507-386-1726. US Mag chrome wheels. You can see the disc brakes behind there. Let's go ahead and take a look down the length of this truck. Nice stance to it, lowered. Tubular control arms up front. We're going to pop the hood, let you hear it run. Check out the engine bay. We'll take a little closer look at the interior. Look at how nice and straight those long panels are. Check that out. Newer wood and stainless in the bed. Another thing to remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. Chrome rear bumper, dual exhaust. We'll fire this truck up too. It definitely sounds healthy. And then stick around to the end of the video. We'll take it for a drive, show you what it's like going down the road, kind of give you a virtual ride, if you will. But first, check out all those still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Take a look at the underside. You're going to see that it does have newer exhaust on it. Looks like turbo mufflers. New drive shaft. Looks real good underneath this. Go ahead and take a peek at the underside pics. Just take a look down the driver's side. I haven't really noticed anything major for dings, dents, or scratches. You might have a touch up here or there, but really haven't noticed. Definitely not anything major. Again, you can see how nice condition that bed is in. All right. Painted inner doors. Be able to check out the VIN and the door tags all in the still pictures. We have a Cadillac style seat here. Fold down armrests, buckets with that center console. Tilt column. Looks like an I did it setup. Chrome. Did notice there was kind of a custom install with a stereo and then a remote. I have not had the stereo power up. A couple aftermarket gauges down below the dash. Let's go ahead and fire this up. See, it starts very easily. We have here temp gauge. It was a cold start, as you can see. Battery gauge. Kept the stock looking dash. And just so you know, the power seat I'm sitting on the driver's side is power, and it is working. The rest of the dash, you can see incorporated the vintage AC controls in, very similar to what it would have came with stock. Just check the power seat on the passenger side. Power seat's also working over here. Was a little spot that was discolored. Seat belt might have covered it up, so I want to show you that there's a little discolored spot here. But otherwise, nice, comfortable leather seating surfaces. Slip around the back so you hear this run. Like I said, good sounding truck, no doubt about that. That 5.7 liter crate engine. It does have aluminum heads on it, aluminum intake, Holly 4 barrel. Let's go take a look at it. I'm going to pause this 1 second, make it a little easier to get this hood open. So there we go. Hood open. So underside of the hood, Painted as nicely as the exterior. Looks good. It's like a Champion aluminum radiator. Some nice chrome dress-up components with the alternator, air cleaner cover, valve covers. Again, aluminum heads, aluminum intake manifold. 4-barrel Holly. Good looking engine bay. Battery disconnect in between drives or lots in storage. Go to your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. Look good with hood open too. And remember, stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you what it's like going down the road. 1958 Chevrolet Apache pickup. Beautiful setup. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a beautiful 1958 Chevrolet Apache pickup truck. Really great paint color. Really great condition inside and out. Great runner, starts up and idles right away. We got an automatic transmission right here on the floor. Perfect ride height, in my opinion. Those late 50s trucks, some of the best styling that exists for trucks, in my opinion, as well. Turn signal indicators are working, speedometer also working. Fuel gauge is reading almost full for temperature and battery down below the dash. We have some additional gauges. Temperature reading about 150 right now, and the battery in the green range on the gauge showing about 14 volts. Vintage air in this truck, which means you're going to have nice, reliable, hot and cold air. We have a custom auto sound remote and kick panel speakers. So it also would have some good sound in this truck. I'll let Jay test that out for you. Great handling in the corners. Nice throttle response. Lovely exhaust rumble. Typical little bit of wind noise from this style truck, but it's not bad at all. Nice looking aftermarket steering wheel. Carpet very nice. You can tell they took pride in this vehicle. In the glove box there is a plaque from a local show. Everything is done well on this truck. Wooden bed looks great.